Mr. Patel, right? Malkapathar. Well, first of all, I am telling you, no questions about divorces that I have caused. No questions about communal rights I have caused. I am telling you now only. No questions. Sure, sir. I will walk out of this show. I am telling you. I will walk out if you ask questions of that nature.
You will walk out of a walk and talk interview?
I will manage it. I can do anything.
Sir, there has been an immense upheaval amongst general public about the Immaculate Stone. Everybody wants to know what you're going to plan to do with the stone. Do you plan to make a national monument?
I will not be swayed by all this dogma-written rhetoric of yours. You see this shirt of yours? It is made by the blood of your countrymen. Their hands are toiling every day. Their blood is falling into the soil for this shirt of yours. I will not be swayed by this rhetoric.
But sir, your answers so far seem to be an attempt to beat about the bush.
No, not at all. I always think of myself as pro-American.
Sir, I don't think you really got my question. Let me rephrase.
No, what are you saying? You think I don't understand your question? Typical of you media people, I say. Pathetic. Typical. Putting us poor people down all the time. Typical of you. I don't have to take this up.
I'm really sorry, sir. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings.
I can walk out anytime I want.
Sir, let's not have a walk out over here. Tell me about your wealth redistribution policy, sir.
Yes, that is a most magnificent and impressive policy that I took great pains to push through in the last council meeting. I have decided to implement all the recommendations of the Robin and Nottingham Commission. See, I know this has been tried before and governments have not succeeded. But my cabinet is dynamic. They will succeed. No. What I am saying is, we will have something that I am going to call a common minimum program. Okay. I will leave the positive notes with just enough minimum for them to remain positive notes. And then the negative notes will also come up to the level of 0 notes. This is my common minimum program.
Right. What about the bull flu disease which is widespread in the country?
No, you people have misreported the entire issue. This is not bull flu. I have said it again and again. This is purely maggot infestation.
Maggot infestation?
Yes, this is maggot infestation.
You were saying maggot infestation?
Yeah, it is totally maggot infestation. We have taken preventive measures. We have invested a lot of money. We will make sure that this will not happen again. We have treated it with chemicals.
All this for flesh meat?
I love the smell of fresh meat in the morning. Ham, bacon, veal, fresh meat. Smells like victory.
Let's see what the people have to say about this entire issue.
We are here in the town of Vadinenge. I have some locals with me here. Let's shoot some questions at them. Sir, they say that if you perform these complex set of rituals around the stone, you live to 100 years. What will you do if you can live to 100 years?
100 years. 100 years. This is just live for 20 years and just shoot yourself or drown in a bathtub, man.
They attach religious significance to the stone. There's this huge controversy around this. So what's your take on this?
It's all about karma, man. It's symbolism. It's a blonde on one side and a brunt on the other.
Blonde.
The blonde is freedom and the brunt's enfranchisement. It's when sounds stop being sounds and when they become colors. Wasps, horses, latitudes. It's deep, man.
Deep.
Are you talking about the Doors song here?
Aren't we all, man? Aren't we all?
Shit!
I need a marker here.
Right. The results of the SMS polls are out. A whooping 70% of the people think we should go ahead with the construction of the monument. 20% people do not have an opinion, and the remaining do not know which television channel to watch.
I do not believe in polls.
Do not believe in polls.
No, I have been misconstrued. I do not believe in these SMS polls. Have you heard of my network of complaint booths?
Complaint booths.
Obviously you would not have heard about it. I have created a network of complaint booths all over the country. And statistics show that only 40% of the people in the country are out of reach of this network. It's all there on the board, clear, plain daylight. Those points, those nodes on the graph, they represent the complaint booths. No one in this country is out of range of the complaint booths. I don't know how to explain this to you, but it's all there on the board.
You seem to have a strange love for details. Thank you, Mr. Patharai. Earlier today, one of our reporters of CBN and BC had visited the small town of Badni. Let us hear it from Mr. P.K. Girpade.
Good evening to CBN NBC special coverage on the discovery of the Immaculate Stone. Local legend has it that the Immaculate Stone is really sacred, and if you perform a series of sacred rituals around it, you live to 100 years. For the benefit of the viewers and to quench my own curiosity, I will now perform the set of rituals around this stone. Watch on. Oh.